So this is an EV9. I got it like a couple months ago for PDI. It's a brand new one. So after I PDI it, somebody bought it the next day, and the next day it's in a tow truck. Yeah, so I got a code, and the ICCU is not charging this 12-volt battery, and it's causing a lot of electrical issue. So I spent some time to figure it out. This is the one connected to here, and it goes all the way to the bottom. It's a big connector right there. Then, well, too bad I can't open the back door anymore, but it's connected all the way to that ICCU down there. Then when I remove all the connector, I got a lot of resistance from this all the way back there. Spent some time digging, and I found out this guy right here, this guy, which is the one connected to the positive battery, and this guy connected to that big connector all the way to the ICCU, it's loose. Yep, it's loose. Then I put my borescope there, and here it is, guys. So you guys see that? The probably 10 millimeter. I'm gonna move this. Still moving it. See that guy? Somebody forgot to tighten that guy. Caused the issue, right? Then I notified Kia because this is factory warranty. Tell them what I found, and he said, well, just go ahead and replace the whole thing. And I'm like, seriously? It's gonna be a lot of job, guys, so I gotta deal with that here, there. This is a nightmare. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I just tighten this guy right here? If I remove this, I can probably get a lot more access here. Right now, my borescope right there. So, yeah, they send me this one right here, which says I check and it's tight. So, oh my goodness, they want me to replace the whole thing. Yeah. Well, what do you guys think? Should I replace the whole thing, or just hide that thing right there? Comment down below, guys. Thank you.